Leading Technology and Innovation. This PowerPoint presentation, along with an accommodating report, has been prepared for Corporate Information Technology, which is a division of Schwab Technology Services, in an effort to maximize its capabilities geared towards technology and innovation. What is leading technology and innovation all about? Innovation is a way of life and critical for organizations to survive and thrive in today's economy. Corporate Information Technology is heavily invested and challenged to lead technology and innovation in our daily activities across the organization. Innovation is strategy not only geared toward changing technology, but includes leveraging new business models and improved technologies. It also allows us to do more with less and improve our lives through the process. New technologies can fuel innovation in products and service offerings by allowing customers to see changes firsthand and expect to see significant and recurring technological innovation through process technologies, which may be invisible to the consumer but instrumental in the performance of products or services offered by the company, and through enabling technologies, which allows for an execution strategy that's much faster and leverages time as a source of competitive advantage. Technology is a critical source of innovation. However, innovators have harnessed both technology and business innovation to be particularly successful. A combination of strong innovation with operational excellence are important for success. As technology evolves, so does culture, and it significantly impacts innovation. Technology does not remain the same. New systems, processes, symbols, and organizational values can be designed to evolve the company's culture. We are continually challenged to evolve as business and client needs demand it. It includes radical and/or incremental transformation through technological development. Culture plays a significant role in corporate information technology's ability to innovate. Human resources are a requirement in innovation. Tools have been included in the report geared towards meaningful evaluation and assessment for continued successful innovation. Nuances of culture. Corporate information technology takes a radical approach when it comes to innovation. Breakthrough ideas and game changers are part of the culture. In considering culture, it's imperative to think of the various human resources involved in the innovation process. The team is fairly new, with most of the leadership being employed at the firm for 2 years. Opportunities exist to gauge what's important to employees as part of the overall goal of innovation through tools such as below the surface values and beliefs and other techniques that are outlined within the report. In order to continue enjoying the benefits of innovation and its successes, management should facilitate a culture that allows for evolving, explains changes as it occurs, and in a very transparent manner that's deliberate, while utilizing while utilizing monitoring strategies and implementing specific measurements. Elements of culture cultivation, and innovation. Transparency. Goals. It clearly articulates goals in a way that dismisses ambiguity. Scope. Clearly defines the scope so that others are clear on objectives and free to inquire where there may be outlined questions to obtain support and buy-in, as well as to understand challenges that may have not been considered. Direction. Further aligns the scope and gives employees parameters and overall direction the organization is going. Also allows them to critically think about strategies that go against the direction. Capabilities. Addresses what the organization is capable of and also defines limitations. Collaboration. Allows team members to feel valued and part of the team, which fosters greater innovation because employees feel that their ideas are important. Other elements include promotion of creativity, innovation, risk-taking, creation of networks inside and outside the organization to collaborate and improve on ideas, neutralization of organizational antibodies that hinder new ideas, and creation of a rewards and metric system that encourages and supports an innovative culture. For more details and exciting measures that we can take as an organization, please review the report that addresses these opportunities. Thank you for your time. Nicole Williams.